When it all works, effective groups and teams are powerful and satisfying. But there are many forces and conditions that must be activated and balanced for teams to get it right and be successful. Teamwork is complicated. For instance, effective teams balance their time and attention between accomplishing tasks and maintaining relationships. Sharing data and opinions, questioning and clarifying, keeping time and tending to administrative concerns. These are all some of the behaviors that support task completion. But these things can only be accomplished when the people doing them are willing to engage and relate to each other. Encouraging, harmonizing, and gatekeeping communication are relationally focused behaviors. These relational behaviors foster closer and more open relationships, allowing more tasks to be accomplished. Knowing, practicing, and keeping these behaviors balanced is key to any effective team. Functional groups also know how to learn and grow together. They discuss their observations and experiences with each other and learn from them. They do this to keep what is working and stop what is slowing them down. Effective teams learn together. Learning demands and fosters open communication and feedback, which in turn moves the group ever forward in its development and performance. This kind of feedback and communication requires a team culture where it is safe to share. To be honest and really creative with each other, team members need to feel safety to be open, to say something unfiltered and potentially silly, and maybe even to be wrong. Knowing that there is a shared sense of goodwill and inclusion fosters openness and increases team cohesion. Since our founding in 1977, OKA has specialized in helping teams be more effective, cohesive, and successful. OKA's Team Tools workshops all target these team behaviors and skills. Our workshops are constructed around interactive problem-solving activities, group exercises that have participants experience the challenges and behavioral tendencies of real-time team and group life. Then, groups practice how best to deal with and react to these realities. OKA's Team Tools workshops are rooted in decades of lessons learned and best practices. They also can be customized to address each group's needs. We believe the best, most consequential training is experiential and leads to actionable outcomes. At OKA, we meet you and your team where you are and take you where you want and need to go. Contact us to discuss your group and team efforts and how you can develop and deepen your team tools.